This is Grayson and Daddy looking at some graders, some big excavators. Yeah. You excited?
Yeah.
You wanna go see it?
Man's.
Yeah, man sits in that excavator. Look how big this shovel is.
Yeah.
You wanna go in that shovel?
No.
Just do it. Here.
Go out.
Careful. Where are you going? Come on, come over here. You're gonna fall. Whoa. You go see the big, whoa. You falling in the tracks from the digger? You wanna go up on that digger? Do you wanna go up on it?
Here.
I know.
Here.
Don't you stand on this.
No.
Look at Daddy's. No, wait, look at me. Wow, you're on a digger. Are you on a big digger?
Yeah.
Why don't you go grab that pole?
No.
No? You too scared?
Once I go down.
You wanna go down. Why do you like the dirt so much? Watch Daddy. Have you felt these? Come feel them. Is this made of rubber? Like your toy?
Yeah.
What's it made out of? Is it made out of metal? It's made out of metal.
Have one of those cushions.
Do you want to go see the grader? Let's go look at this grader.
See an excavator.
Yeah, come on.
Staying right by an excavator.
Yep, come on down. Let's go see these graders.
See the excavator.
Hey, come on. Let's go look at these big trucks over here. Come on. Come on. Look at these big trucks right here. You want to get up here with Daddy? Wow, look at this grader. Go stand next to this wheel. Okay, Daddy's gonna take you a big